Welcome to Car Zone, where every turn of the wheel spins your fate. From wild moves to instant karma crashes, you're about to see it all. Going viral for road rage? Trust me, no one wants that. A perfect ending for cutting into someone else's lane. Solid line, solid evidence. Cops are getting this video. Looks like he wanted in on the fun. Two white cars. A perfect pair. Until now. Patience is a virtue. This driver clearly skipped that class. That was an impressive performance, right up until the pole decided to join in. The world's most dangerous tango. At least they had a fitting soundtrack. A valuable lesson. Never play brake check with a friend who's much, much bigger than you. Maybe the driver thought their car could transform. The fastest karma delivery service I've ever seen. The roller coaster nobody signed up for. Rating 0-10, would not recommend. That Tesla had a close call. Sentry mode definitely captured a blockbuster. Some drivers are more unpredictable than the weather. Apparently, the mirrors on that car are just for decoration. Red means stop, not speed up if you're feeling lucky. Never argue with a dump truck. You will lose. Basic instructions: to turn right, you must first be in the right lane. Even the car knew it was being wrongfully arrested. Freedom! He zigged when he should have not been street racing.
Whoa.
Lots of money can't buy you driving skills. Pro tip: tunnels are not designated picnic areas. I believe I can fly right off this exit ramp. That van was just deleted from existence. He accepted his fate with the serenity of a monk. There are many places to park. On a train track is not one of them. For him, traffic signals are merely suggestions. When you're in a hurry to get absolutely nowhere. Well, that's one way to handle an accident. Strike a pose. Poor Scooter. It never saw it coming. Just a little tap from a 40-ton vehicle. I think they should go buy a lottery ticket immediately. A surprise good morning from the parking lot. Certainly more effective than coffee. One bad driver creating a symphony of chaos.
Оказывается.
Yes, let's fight on an ice rink surrounded by out-of-control cars. What could possibly go wrong? It's a car crash party and everyone's invited. Winter is coming, and so is the potential for traction loss. Pro tip: the brake pedal is the one in the middle. This is what happens when two people who don't believe in red lights meet. I cannot clearly see which pickup truck is at fault in this situation. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and support Car Zone so we can keep bringing you intense and eye-opening crash footage. Thanks for watching Car Zone.